Very good. Waiting for your customer. Hi everyone, good afternoon.
Hi! Oh, ate, yung number dito. Okay, come here. Come here po.
Taxi, bye!
That's okay.
The receipt will go off the cash and then you will go to the counter. For example, you want dining or take-out.
Once done your takeout,
Okay, you have accessibility. Okay, lower na siya.
you can navigate that one.
Dine in. Okay, this is the chicken menu. Yeah,
What?
what chicken?
Chicken.
Oh, you want chicken? And then, how about fries and add-ons?
At dun sila na agad. Wow, there's a fries.
Okay, nuggets.
Who wants Happy Meal toy? Raise your hand. Wow.
Oh, this, we have 6
Ang
pieces,
hirap mag-English.
10 pieces of nuggets, 120 pieces of nuggets. I want it also. You want 10, okay. And this is our,
How about drink Happy Birthday?
our burger.
Wow.
I like burger.
What is this? This is a cheeseburger.
No vegetables.
No vegetables. Okay. And
The
then,
drink.
we have our Happy Meal.
Wow.
One Happy Meal.
Wow.
We have our toys like this. Oh.
What drink do you want?
Okay, we have a
Wow, toy.
toy. Okay.
I like
Our toy number 1. Mega Slices.
Okay, kids, listen. We have 12 designs toys.
Yes.
I want
Okay, number 2, Big Blue. Number 3, Alvin. Number 4, Ciron. Number 5, Mega Jerry. Number 6,
Wow, a lot of toys.
Okay, toy number 7, si Jerry po. Toy number 8,
I want
Ciron.
that. I want that.
Oh, you want
I
that?
want that too.
Okay, toy number 9, Mega Dave. Toy number 10, Big Blue Ron. And toy 11, Mega Man. And then 12, Mega
Mega
T.
tier.
I want that. I like the book.
Okay, we have
This
our
is the drink.
Okay, who wants orange juice?
Raise your hand.
Me.
Wow.
Me.
Who wants Coke Flow? Wow, raise your hand.
Okay. And then we have our
Sunday.
One hot fudge. How about water?
What apple pie? You
How
want
about
that?
apple pie?
Who wants to navigate this one first? Let's go first.
Okay, ate, kung nag-order ka. What do you want po?
You can navigate that.
Okay, you have... Okay, ate, kunyari order ka po. How
What
can you
meal do
order
you want?
here? Oh, what do we call this again?
Okay, Ate Art, go first. Okay, next ka muna.
Yan, pas na. Ikaw yun,
Okay,
hindi ako.
next ka na.
So that you learn how to use kiosk.
Okay, what do you want? What meal do you want?
Oh, what meal do you want? Okay, don't jump, kuya. Stand up.
Si Liam na next na. Ay, si ano sila. Okay?
Oh, you want nuggets?
Si Nuggets.
Okay, with
What meal do you
like...
want?
With fries.
Earth, come here.
This.
With fries and drinks na po. Oh, kuya, come here.
Later ka na, Kuya Wancho, ha? Si ano muna, Earth. Okay. You want regular meal, medium meal, large meal? What do you want? Large meal? Okay, you can first.
Yeah.
Okay, what sauce do you want? Okay, next. What drink do you want? Okay, good. You want sundae? Okay, you can skip that. No thanks.
No thanks.
Like this one?
And then add to order.
Cancel that item. Okay, next.
Okay, next pause. Who wants to try?